Welcome to the Solis Cloud service. This video will demonstrate how to register your organization account and complete the creation of a power station. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Solis Cloud monitoring platform. Register as an organization. Please click Register. On the Register page, please select Organization as your registration type. Enter your email and click Verification Code to receive a verification code. After completing the slider verification, retrieve and enter the verification code from your email. After confirming that you have read and agree to the privacy policy, click Next to continue. Now please fill in the desired organization name, username, and password. After verifying the information is correct, click Register to complete the creation of the account. Add your power station. Once the account is successfully created, click Add Plant in the upper right corner of the screen to start adding your power station. Please follow the guide to fill in the basic information of the power station. And click Next. Next, set up your tariff management. Please select the tariff type and enter the earnings per kilowatt hour. Once the settings are complete, please select Next. At this stage, you can add information for power station owners or visitors. The owner refers to the legal owner of the power station with a unique corresponding relationship and has the right to access data and control equipment operations. The visitor refers to users who are authorized to temporarily view power station data and are not allowed to perform any operations. Multiple visitors can be set for the power station. Click Next. And you can provide other relevant information about the power station. Once all the information has been confirmed as correct, click Create Plant to complete the creation of the power station. After the creation is successful, you will be redirected back to the home page, and you can see the newly created power station in the power station list. Thank you for choosing Solis. We wish you a pleasant experience.